guys, I hope you're off to a fabulous day. I am about to do my makeup and we have a little bit of work today, so let's get to it.
So first things first, we need a good primer, and I use the e.l.f. Power Grip. It makes my makeup stay on all day long and not go anywhere. I use an eyebrow pomade next, and I go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I define my eyebrows with a concealer. Any concealer will do for this. I normally set the concealer afterwards with like a skin toned eyeshadow. Then I start to do my eyeshadow. I'm doing an orange look with a little bit of a cut crease, so I put my eyeshadow and then I use a little bit of concealer just to shape my crease. I literally love this eyeliner by Urban Decay. It is so creamy and it just slides right on, and I swear it stays put. It does not go anywhere and it doesn't smudge or smear or get under your eyes. This is the best eyeliner I've ever had. Then I use the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner over, and I just use that to do a little cat eye on my lid just to accentuate my eye because I love a good cat eye. If you make any mistakes, you can literally just use like a little dab of concealer and then just take it right on off with the concealer. I love this P.Louise cream blush because no matter how much you put on, it is literally the perfect shade of pink. I mix this luminizer into my foundation. I beat my face. I conceal under my eyes. Bake, bake, bake. Contour. Then I put concealer on with a damp sponge. You can use water, but I use a setting spray. Then I contour my nose. These little Dollar Tree half lashes save me every single time that my lashes start looking beat. They're so cheap, they're reusable, and they're just perfect for filling in those sparse outer corners. I just wait for the glue to get tacky, then I tuck it right into the outer corner of my eye, and once it's in the right spot, it just blends so well. Once they're blended in, I grab some tweezers and I pinch everything together so it blends even better and it stays secure. This is how I fake a fresh lash look when my extensions are hanging on to their dear life. For my lippies, I just use NYX, any clear gloss, and a lip liner. It is a lip stain, so I let it set and then I blot it off with a napkin. I use a Colourpop lip liner to line my lips and I go over them with a gloss. Finally, I can let my hair down because my look is complete. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any tips you'd like to share or anything you want to see from me, drop it below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos, and stay tuned because I will definitely be sharing more.